Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making a volcano. So let's start now. So first you need to get the clay, which this is clay, and you get it into a circle, and then you get some stuff out. You get some stuff out like this, and then you get some stuff out, you push it all in, go like that. No, it's looking kind of weird, but when I'm finished it'll look good. Right, now we're gonna cut a little bit out of there, a little bit out of there, and we'll cut there. Gonna like take it out, and then we'll get that cracks. We don't want cracks. And we'll take it out. And we will cut it off. That.
Prospects from around the world meet at the Little League World Series, and college football returns.
Now you mush it up. And you. Don't worry. Don't need it. I'm gonna the lava. So stuff is lava that I'm doing, not real lava, but it's just mix it up like that, flowing out. It's rain. Over up. And now you just cut the corners. Just a little strip for the ingredients. And that's it. And that's how you make a clay volcano. Bye.